Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of electronics. By the end of this video, you'll understand what electronics are. Let's get started.
The world of electronics is vast, dynamic, and deeply integrated into almost every aspect of modern life.
What is the difference between electronic and electrical? Electronics is a branch of physics and engineering that deals with the study and application of devices that control the flow of electrons or other charged particles. Electrical systems, which involve the transfer of electrical power, electronics focuses on the manipulation of electrical signals for tasks like amplification, computation, and control. Lets us know where the electronics are used. Consumer electronics 1. Healthcare and medical devices 2. Automotive industry 3. Industrial and commercial applications 4. Communication and networking 5. Agriculture purpose 6. Education and research 7.